Perfectionism is a prison. Procrastination is stealing your present moment because you want to do things when you feel like it. Nothing is in the way but you. Nothing is stopping you but you. Sometimes, and mainly all the time, we have to get out of our own way. So, with that being said, let's get on this stroll. Let's get on this walk. This 15-minute walk. Move your body daily. There is a lot of things that are going on in the United States of America. But will we panic? Absolutely not. We have learned and learning to control the controllables. If you are wrapped up into what they're going to do, what they have going on, it's stealing from you. Don't worry about it. It's not in your hand. Why would I risk wasting my peace over something that ain't even never been in my hand? Yeah, talking about the government shutdown. They may do it, they may not. Who knows? But one thing I will tell you, and I'm going to say this: learn to stay calm. When one person panic, everybody panic. Why panic? Never panic. So, welcome to the YouTube channel. This is your girl, Arian Brown, going by Air Credit Up for the YouTube. Thank you all for joining. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. And as you all know, we getting straight to it. We're not going to hold you on and, drag you along. No, we get right down to the things that matter. It's about building, brick by brick, building a solid foundation. It is about taking back your time. Moving your body gives you a peace of mind, a sense of clarity, a sense of purpose, a sense of strategy, a sense of drive. Be willing to put in the work now. Move your bodies now. Stop waiting on people to pick you up. You have to pick yourself up. Stop waiting. Why wait? Time is now. Time is now. So, thank you all for joining the channel. Like I said, first call to action, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. And we are soon going to be approaching the downhill. You already know, 15 minutes, you all. Okay. We know to set that emergency fund aside. We know to pay ourselves first. We know to minimize debt. Paying off debt. All while keeping the strategy and plan in place. So, with that being said, I always create a plan. Sometimes you have to adjust and do things like that. Whatever is going on in your financial future, forgive me, whatever is going on dealing with your finances, you are in control of that. Stop following trends. And all of this stuff is sent your way to throw you off focus, to throw you off task. They shining things in your face, making you feel like that you want to buy those things. In reality, you don't even need it. you know. Learn to shop with intention. I'm going to get a thumbnail. All right. So, yeah, we are heading down the hill. Things of that nature. Whew. I'm already feeling good, y'all. This is daily. So, yeah. Stop waiting on people to give you the go-ahead. Stop. And everything that I say to you all, I'm speaking to myself first. Remember that. I'm speaking to me first. Everything. It's beautiful out here. I was going to wait on a little bit more sunlight, But why wait? I'm not in control of that. You see what I mean? I'm not in control of this something like it. If you are responsible enough with using credit cards, do your own due diligence of research, you know, stop complaining. It's not going to get any better. Stop worrying. Never worry. If it's out of your control, why worry? You cannot change the inevitable. Remember that. You cannot change the inevitable. So, yeah, we have to push through, you all. Air creditors, y'all already know what it is. We have to remain consistent. We have to stay on task. If you got a task that you know that needs to be done and it won't take no more than about 5 minutes, go ahead and do it. 10-second rule, count down. Get up and do it. Because when you start doing it, you are working against that resistance. You're working against resistance. Meaning when you start it, 9 times out of 10, you're gonna finish it. It's all in the mind. I'm telling it's really everything is really in the mindset. Man, listen. Be willing to go for it. I always bet on you. Working these jobs, we are making other people's dreams come true and stay true. What about yours? You know? What about yours? Yeah, you can work. I'm always work. All of that. And stop worrying and caring about what people think of you. Stop it. You know why? Because when you're doing good, they're gonna have something to say. And when you're doing bad, they definitely gonna have something. You know? Do what you can do to the best of your abilities. Do what you can do to the best of your ability. I don't know where the S came from, but you know, you get it. You're following me. Yeah. I'm already knowing this 15-minute walk. It's really gaining me the momentum. This is the second day of the 4th week. And do I feel better? Absolutely. Will I stop? No, I would not. Keep going. All about elevating your heart. You know? My socks sliding off. I got on my slides. Woo. I'm not with the wasting time. Time is the most precious because you can't get it back. You cannot. All that I'll do it later. I'll do it later. Later doesn't exist. It doesn't. It does not exist. Learn to live on less, you know. Lock in. Like, yeah, you have to lock in sometimes. Learn to sit with yourself. For real. Learn to enjoy your own company. For real. Always be respectful of others. No, everybody's not going to be nice. You know, that's life, you know. But you are always in control of you. You're not in control of other people. but you are in control of you. I always remember that. So yeah, 15 minutes, you all. We on it. I'm at the 10-minute mark now. 10:30. For real. What's the worst that can happen? Did it work? Perspective. But I hope you all are having an amazing day. I hope you all are having an amazing day, amazing morning. Completed and done beats perfect 100% of the time. Don't give up. Don't give up. When you put off things, talking about I'll do it later, you are giving that next moment and opportunity a mess that you were supposed to clean up when you thought about it. Think about that. Like, for real, stop doing it. Just go ahead and do it. Even with saving, paying yourself first, go ahead and do it. Get your high yield savings account. You need at least 3 checking accounts or savings accounts. Something that you can get to fast and things like that. Learning to automate your income. Whatever you have, learn to automate it. Woo. This is nice. Trying to keep from blinding you out from that sun, so there we go. This side is better. And just like that, we at the top of the hill. So, thanks for tuning in. Air credit up. We got this. We are doing completely okay. We're doing well. We're not worrying. We're not stressing. See, that's what walking does for your body. It lowers cortisol. That's the stress hormone. Woo! We done it. We are on top of the hill. Thanks for watching. Go through my playlist on things I did to level up. That's all the information about the credit, starting to save, and starting to invest. Always do your research. And like I said, it's a journey. Let's get to it. Let's get it done. We are at 14 minutes. See, I got up here a minute early. Yeah. Let's get it. Always celebrate the small wins. Always. Woo. Woo. Yeah, always after working out, you want to sit in something that's going to help you continue to sweat and things of that nature. Always celebrate the small wins, you all. It's nothing like it. Nothing like it. And those that deal with procrastination, give yourself 3 tasks to do daily versus wearing yourself, overwhelming yourself. 3 tasks to do daily. Woo. Air credit up. It's sounding out. I will have a link in the a link in the description below to you all that know and understand how to use a credit card. Link will be in description. Air Credit Up is signing out. Love you all. Have an amazing day. Bye.